when will I need money during this home buying journey? So the first time that you're gonna need money is when you write your purchase agreement. There's a term called earnest money, and you're gonna need to write a check along with a contract that's provided to the seller as a good faith gesture to say, I am serious, Mr. Seller. Here's my contract and here's some earnest money. What they will do with that earnest money, they will cash that money and they will hold that until closing. Assuming the transaction comes together, you'll get that money refunded back to you at closing. The second time that you're gonna need some funds is application deposit when you finalize your financing. When you meet with your lender to lock in your interest rate, finalize all the terms, they're gonna collect an application deposit. And they're gonna cash that check, and the same as your earnest money, they're gonna apply that back and credit that towards your closing costs the day of closing. The third time you may need funds is when you're doing inspections. So in your contract, if you chose to do inspections, those inspections might need to be paid for once they're completed. So you might need to write a check to, as an example, the home inspector the day that the home inspection is completed. The fourth time you'll need funds during the transaction will be at closing. This will help pay for closing costs and down payment as necessary with your final numbers to purchase your home. So to recap, those 4 times when you may need money during this home buying journey will be earnest money when you write your purchase contract, application deposit when you finalize your financing. If you choose to do inspections, they may need to be paid for when they're completed. And the last step at closing, when you buy your house, you may need to pay for down payment and/or closing costs. Those are the 4 times you may need funds during the transaction.